Multiple choice questions on General Studies and General Abilities, Part 26. Question number 251. Article 324 of Indian Constitution deals with Option A. Provision for Comptroller Auditor General of India. Option B. Supreme Court of India. Option C. Provision for Election Commission. Option D. Imposition of emergency in the states. The correct answer is option C. Provision for Election Commission. Article 324 of Indian Constitution deals with provision for Election Commission. Question number 252. Which organization members had undertaken the Chittagong Armory raid? Option A. The Indian Republican Army. Option B. The Indian National Army. Option C. Provisional Revolutionary Army. Option D. The Indian National Congress. The correct answer is option A. The Indian Republican Army. The Indian Republican Army organization members had undertaken the Chittagong Armory raid. Question number 253. India's first pollinator park was established in 2020 at which of the following places? Option A. Haldwani in Nainital district of Uttarakhand. Option B. Anantagiri in Vikarabad district of Telangana. Option C. Edakal in Wayang district of Kerala. Option D. Ratangarh in Churu district of Rajasthan. The correct answer is option A. Haldwani in Nainital district of Uttarakhand. It is the India's first pollinator park was established in 2020. Question number 254. Golden rice developed by genetic modification is a rich source of option A vitamin A, option B vitamin B, option C vitamin C, option D vitamin K. The correct answer is option A vitamin A. Golden rice developed by genetic modification is a rich source of vitamin A. Question number 255. Which one of the hydel power plants of Telangana is not correctly matched with its production capacity? Option A. Pochampad 36 megawatts. Option B. Priyadarshini 234 megawatts. Option C. Paleru 56 megawatts. Option D. Pulichintala 120 megawatts. The correct answer is option C. Paleru 56 megawatts. This hydel power plant of Telangana is not correctly matched with its production capacity. Question number 256. The consumer base of electrical connections consists of agricultural, domestic and industrial consumers. Arrange them in descending order on the basis of electrical connections in Telangana as of 2020-21. Option A. Industrial, agricultural and domestic connections. Option B. Domestic, industrial and agricultural connections. Option C. Agricultural, domestic and industrial connections. Option D. Domestic, agricultural and industrial connections. The correct answer is option A. Industrial, agricultural and domestic connections. Question number 257. Find out the synonym of the underlined word in the given sentence. APJ Abdul Kalam, the erstwhile President of India, wrote Wings of Fire. Option A. Present. Option B. Former. Option C. Elder. Option D. Previous. The correct answer is option D, previous. Previous is synonym of erstwhile. So the correct answer is option D, previous. Question number 258. Which one of the following is a wrongly spelled word? Option A, pleasure. Option B, harassment. Option C, collection. Option D, embarrassing. The correct answer is option B, harassment. Here R letter is repeated. So the correct word is H-A-R. H-A-R-A-S-S-M-E-N-T. So wrongly spelled word is option B, harassment. Question number 259. Complete the given sentence using the grammatically correct option. Anirudh dash just dash to market. Option A, have gone. Option B, had going. Option C, has went. Option D, has gone. The correct answer is option D, has gone. Anirudh has just gone to market. Question number 260. Find out the antonym of the underlined word in the given sentence. No one likes to cultivate in a barren land. Option A, desolate. Option B, desperate. Option C, fertile. Option D, parched. The correct answer is option C, fertile. Fertile is the antonym for barren word. Barren means బంజారు. Barren land means బంజారు భూమి. Fertile means సారవంతమైన భూమి. So the correct answer is option C, fertile. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.